Tennessee state lawmakers considering a bill that would prevent any unauthorized alien from filing certain lawsuits. Good evening, I'm Latricia Thomas.
And I'm Josh Rowe. However, attorneys say the bill's language does not currently specify which kinds of lawsuits would be blocked. Some also say the bill could conflict with the 14th Amendment of the Constitution.
Now that means that even if it passes, a lengthy legal battle would likely be needed before it could take effect. News Channel 9's Mary Beth Mangrum talked to legal experts about the obstacles this legislation could face. Mary Beth.
Latricia, Josh, there are currently more than 30 bills filed relating to immigration in the state of Tennessee. That's according to the Tennessee General Assembly. But one bill has some attorneys questioning if it would be legal, as they say it conflicts with the Constitution.
Terry Olson has been an immigration attorney for 22 years.
We have more immigration bills up in the state than we probably had maybe like in up to 15 years combined. Like, I've never seen this amount.
But this particular bill, which would limit the type of lawsuits that immigrants could file without permanent citizenship, has him concerned.
That's confusing because you can be a non-immigrant worker like an H-1B, and that's not permanent. You can be an F-1, that's a student. That's not permanent.
Olson tells us he's reached out to state lawmakers, but he hasn't gotten a response.
I don't even think they know what they're writing. I don't even think they know about the legal actions or effects that this will have.
There's been a movement really the last 30 or 40 years where there are less and less lawyers in our state legislature.
Attorney Brent Burks with the McMahon Law Firm shares similar worries.
But when it comes to proposing laws like this, you know, obviously we need lawyers that can look at the idea and say, is this something that's even constitutional?
And says the bill conflicts with the 14th Amendment.
But it almost certainly would have scrutiny under the 14th Amendment equal protection. In my estimation, it probably would not meet that scrutiny, and it would be an illegal law.
The language of the bill was also cause for concern.
This deals with plaintiffs like Jay and I represent every day, people that bring lawsuits. And the bill's a little bit vague on that. It doesn't talk about what type of cases.
We reached out to the bill's House and Senate sponsors to ask why they think this is needed, but we haven't heard back. We'll let you know if we get a response. Latricia?
Mary Beth, thank you. According to data from the Pew Research Center, as of 2022, less than 1/4 of all immigrants in the U.S. are in the country illegally.